Okay, now we are going to do the subtraction. Our question is solve, but we are going to do the mixed fraction solve. So first sum is 4 1 by 2 minus 2 3 by 4. This is the first question. So we are going to solve only this sum. So first I write the question 4 1 by 2 minus 2 3 by 5. So it's a mixed fraction because whole number is 4, 1 by 2 is a proper fraction, minus whole number is 2 and 3 by 3 by 5 is a proper fraction. So mixed fraction is what? Composed of what? Whole number and a proper fraction. Composed of a whole number and a proper fraction is called as a mixed fraction. We are going to do the subtraction in mixed fraction. Okay. First step 1 is what you are going to do? Step 1. First you have to convert the what? Mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 4 1 by 2 is equal to 4 into 2 plus 1 divided by 2. So 4 into 8, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 by 2. Next 2, 3 by 5. So 2 into 5 plus 3 divided by 5. That is 2 into 5, 10, 10 plus 3, 13, 13 by 5. So look at the number is 9 by 2 minus 13 by 5. It is a what? It is a what? Improper fraction. Why do you say it is improper fraction? Because numerator is greater than the denominator. Numerator is greater than the denominator. So now we are going to subtract the sum. So look at the numbers. The first one is what? It is the even number. The next one is odd number. So but the denominators are not same. It's a different denominator. So you have to take LCM. But here odd and even number. So better you do one thing. You have to take a LCM. If you want to take the LCM, you can take the LCM. Or else if you have odd number and even number, means I told you simplest method is just multiply the what odd and even number. You can get the same answer. Even if you take the LCM, you can get the same. If you multiply the odd and even number also, the same answer you will get it. Okay, so 2 into 5 you can get what? 10. So that is a LCM. So LCM, lowest common multiple of 2, 5 is 10. Okay, now 9 by 2. So you have to make this 2 as what? 10. So 10 is a LCM. So that is what I am going to multiply by 5 the denominator. So if the denominator is multiplied by 5, the numerator is also what? Multiply by 5. So you can get 9 into 5, 45, and 2 into 5, what? You can get 10. Next what? 13 by 5. 13 by 5. So I have to make this 5 as what? 10. So I have to multiply by 2. Multiply by 2. The denominator is multiplied by 2. The 5 is multiplied by 2. The numerator, the 13, is also multiplied by 2. So 13 into 2 you can get 26 by 10. Now you can get the same denominator. Now you can get the same denominator. But the numerators are different. So anyhow, so 45 by 10 minus what? 26 by 10. So if the denominators are same, you have to subtract the numerator, because in the middle what you will have, that is what? Subtraction sign. So 45 minus 26. So 5 you can't subtract from 5 to 6, so you have to borrow from here. So I have to borrow only 1 10 here, so it becomes what? 15. 15 minus 6 you can get 9. So here 3, 3 minus 2 you can get what? 1. The answer is what? That is 19 by 10. So you will get the answer, that is mixed fraction only, because the question in mixed fractions. The answer is also come in what? Comes in mixed fraction only. So 19 by 10. So 19 is divided by 10. You can get 1 tens are 10. The remaining is what? 19 minus 10. You can get what? 9. So 1 is a whole number and what? 9 is the numerator and 10 is the denominator. This is a quotient. This is a quotient and this is a remainder. So 1 is a whole number and 9 by 10 is a proper fraction. So the answer is 1 9 by 10. That's the right answer for this question. So first term we have done. So now we are going to see the second sum. we are following the same typical addition method, but only thing we are going to subtract because we are going to solve the subtraction problems. Second sum is 7 4 by 5 minus 2 3 by what? 5. Look at the numbers. Now we are going to solve the mixed fraction subtraction. Okay, 7 4 by 5 minus 2 3 by 5. So 7 4 by 5, you have to step 1 convert into what? Convert into step 1, that is convert into step 1, convert into mixed fraction. So 7 4 by 5, you can get 7 into 5 plus 4 divided by 5. So what is the answer? 7 into 5 what? 35. 35 plus 4 what? 39. Yes, exactly. 39 by 5. Next. So what is the answer? 2. What is the question? 2 3 by 5. So 2 into 5 what? 10. 2 into 5 plus 3 divided by 5. So you can get 2 into 5 10. 10 plus 3 13. 13 by 5. So both the denominators are same. So you have to simply subtract because heading is subtraction. So 39 divided by 5 minus 13 divided by 5. So denominators are same, so numerators are different. So you have to subtract because in the middle you have subtraction sign. So 9 minus 3 you can get 6, 3 minus 1 you can get 2. If you want you can just verify 39 minus 13. So 9 minus 3, 6, 3 minus 1 to 26 by 5. So what is the answer? It's improper fraction because the numerator is what? Greater than the denominator. So 26 divided by 5. So I have to divide it by 5. 5 5s are 25. The remaining is what? 1. So 5 is a whole number and 1 is a numerator and denominator is again 5. So this is a quotient and this is a remainder. So 5 1 by 5. Just cross check. 5 into 5 25. 25 plus 1 what? 26 by 5. So 5 is a whole number. 1 by 5 is a proper fraction. So it is a mixed fractions. The answer comes in what? Mixed fraction. So this is the right answer for the question. So 5 1 by 5 is the answer. So you have solved the second sum also. Now we are going to see the third sum. Third sum, look at this, 5 minus 4 1 by 3. See, look at the sum carefully because this is a whole number and this is a mixed fraction. So look at this sum and carefully listen. So listen very carefully ma. 5 minus, first you have to take only the whole number. So 5 minus step 1. So step 1 is, that is 5 minus 4 you can get what? 1. The next step you have to, answer is 1. 1 after that you have to consider as the fraction. So 1 minus 3. So 1 is a whole number, 1 by 3 is a 1 by 3 is a fraction. So 5 minus 4 you can get 1. So 5 is a whole number and 4 is the whole number. So I have taken only the whole numbers. After that is subtract, you can get the answer is 1. So 1 is a whole number. After that I will take only the fraction, that is 1 by 3. 1 minus 1 by 3 I will take. That's a step 2. This step 2, even take that. So 1 minus 1 by 3. So if you don't have the denominator, you can consider as what? Denominator. If you don't have the denominator, you can consider the denominator as what? 1. You must assume the denominator as 1. Minus 1 by 3. So now after that you have to take a LCM. So LCM, that is what? LCM of 1 comma 3 is automatically 1 into 3. You can get 3 only. So 1 into 3, 3. So 1 by 1. So I have to make this LCM as 3. So I have to multiply by 3. If the denominator is multiplied by 3, the numerator is also what? Multiplied by 3. So 3 by 3 here. Next is what? 1 by 3. So I have to what? Multiply by 1 because already the LCM is what? 3. The denominator is 3. So already is 3 means I have to multiply by 1. So if I multiply the denominator is 1, the numerator is also what? Multiplied by 1. So 1 by 3. So what are you going to do next step? So both the denominators are same, only the numerators are different. So 3 by 3 minus 1 by 3. So 3 is the denominator, so 3 is a common, 3 is common. So only the denominator is same, so only the numerators are different. So 3 minus 1. So if the denominator is same, you have to subtract or add the numerators, but here is subtraction sign is given, so you have to subtract the numerators only. The 3 minus 1, you can get what? 2 by 3 is the answer for the question. So I'll repeat the last point, because if you don't have the denominator, so you have to assume or consider the denominator as 1. So 1 by 1 is the assuming denominator. So 1 by 3 is already here. So 1 by 1 minus 1 by 3. So LCM of 1 and 3 is what? 3. Because 1 into 3 you have to simply multiply. You can get the LCM is 3. So 1 by 1. So I have to change this denominator as 3. So I have to multiply by 3. If the denominator is multiplied by 3, the numerator is also multiplied by 3. So 3 by 3 you will get. So here 1 by 3, so 3 is the denominator, so already LCM is 3, so both are same, so I have to multiply by what? 1. So if the denominator is multiplied by 1, the numerator is also multiplied by 1. So 1 into 1 you can get 1, 3 into 1 you can get 3. So both the denominators are same, so you have to add or subtract the numerator. But here the subtraction sign is given, so you have to subtract the numerators. So 3, here also 3, here also 3. So 3 minus 1, you just subtract the numerators only. 3 minus 1, you can get 2 divided by 3. So 2 by 3 is the answer. So almost we have solved all the 3 sums. So next we are going to see the word problems.